Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is your respiratory therapist, Abu Hurera. I've been working in Shifa International Hospital since 2021. Today we have DRAGOR VN500. I'll demonstrate you about the circuit installation, about the modes, and about the settings of our DRAGOR VN500. We have the oxygen port and air port here, and we have humidifier with us. This is the inspiratory limb port, and this is the expiratory limb port, and this is the rotatory knob, and this one is forward. Now let's start with the installation of the circuit. We have the humidifier chamber that is in here. These are temperature probes that will connect with the circuit. So here's the inspirator limb that goes from here to the humidifier chamber. Other one. So this one is expiratory limb. It goes from here, then into the humidification chamber. Okay. Now we'll attach our temperature probes. This yellow one goes into the circuit here, and blue one goes in here. Okay, you have to press it down. And the last one, the circuit. Okay. Now our circuit is ready. One last thing, we have the flow sensor. This is our flow sensor that we use in DRAGOR VN500. It comes with an inserter. We insert this one, this connect with flow sensor, and like this, okay, and the wire goes in like this, okay. If you can see here, there's a small spot here that connects with this silver terminal here, okay. Now we connect our flow sensor in front of this circuit. As you can see, we have successfully installed our circuit. The next step is our calibration. This is our oxygen inlet that goes in here, and this is our air inlet that goes in here. So for the calibration, first of all we have to go to the system check, then go to the device check. You can see here there are certain steps you have to follow for the calibration. So if to start our calibration, we have to press start and then push our rotating knob to start our calibration. Okay. So is alarm audible? Yes. Heated breathing circuit connected correctly? You have connected it correctly? Yes. Humidifier connected correctly or not used? Yes, it is connected correctly or not used. Preparing calibration with high temperature. Observe the instruction for use. Test lung removed and neonatal flow sensor occluded. So here we have the test lung removed, and neonatal flow sensor occluded. You have to occlude the flow sensor from the front side. Now, after occluding the flow sensor, you have to press yes. Wait for a minute. Okay. it's calibrated now. Test line removed, neonatal flow sensor correctly installed and not occluded. Okay. Test line removed, neonatal flow sensor correctly installed and not occluded. It is not occluded. Yes. So the next one is test lamp connected to breathing circuit. Test lamp here, be connected with the flow sensor. So the next step is the calibration of gas supply sensors. We have to press yes. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, our device is calibrated. The last step for the calibration is breathing circuit leak test. For that we have to click here, breathing circuit check. Now go to the breathing circuit check start. Okay. Make sure no patient is connected. Connect breathing circuit, seal patient connection port and confirm with OK. We have connected our circuit. We have to remove the flow sensor and test lamp, and we have to seal the patient connection port. After that, confirm OK. So the leakage determination test is in progress. Remember that you have to pass, if you want to pass this test, your pressure should be less than 300 ml per minute at the pressure of 60 mbar. Okay, here you can see it is 14.2. Now open patient connection port, confirm with OK. Now you can leave it out. Okay, as you can see, breathing circuit check is finished now and your leakage is less than 300. Now your device is fully calibrated and ready to use. So for control mode, we have to go to the ACPC. For pressure control, you can see here we have tidal volume. First of all, you have to go to the additional settings, go to the volume gradient and turn it off. Now you go back to the general settings. You can see here there is no tidal volume here. Now this mode is purely controlled by pressure. Here we have the FI2, inspiratory time, respiratory rate, PEEP and inspiratory pressure. So this mode will be your pressure control mode. So volume gradient, we have to first turn our tidal volume on. As you can see here, we have no tidal volume. We have inspiratory time, respiratory rate, PEEP and peak inspiratory pressure. For turning on the option of tidal volume, we have to go to the additional settings. As you can see here, volume gradient. Press the volume gradient. Now you can turn it off by pressing the on by your node. Go back to the general settings. As you can see here, we have our tidal volume here. Now this is purely your volume control mode. So the next mode is intermittent mandatory ventilation. For that we have pressure control or volume control. For pressure control, we have to go to the additional settings, go to the volume gradient and turn it off. Now go back to the general settings. As you can see, there is no tidal volume. Now this mode is PC SIMV. In SIMV we have pressure support. So what's the pressure support? Pressure support is a specific pressure that we give to the patient to overcome the resistance of our breathing circuit. Next we have HFOV, that is high frequency oscillatory ventilation. In this mode we have FiO2, I ratio, frequency, amplitude and map that we set according to the patient's scenarios. down.